Introducing Unity Wallet, the ultimate digital currency wallet and your gateway to a decentralized future. Unity empowers you with true self-custodial control, robust security, and an intuitive interface, making digital asset management easy for users of all experience levels. Unity lets you buy, sell, store, and receive over 250 top digital currencies with your debit card, earn rewards and cash back with our rewards program, access low-fee digital swaps across hundreds of asset pairs, run KYT risk reports against any wallet address, organize your assets with sub-accounts, stake for passive rewards, connect to thousands of decentralized apps with Wallet Connect, engage, collaborate, and grow with the Unity community, and purchase over 4,000 products and services with your digital currencies. No other wallet lets you do more. Digital currency management you control, with security you can trust. Download Unity Wallet today and start your decentralized journey.